So with healthy soil, it's not just about creating a good walnut. I mean, it certainly is. There are other benefits to it. It makes our job easier as farmers. We use less inputs, we sink more water, we create better nutrient density in our food. But at the same time, with healthy soil and with a no-till organic system, we're trying to use these trees to pull carbon out of the atmosphere and sink it into the soil where we hope that it stays. What's good for the soil is generally good for us. So every improvement we can make down here comes forth up here in better food, less inputs, better moisture and water retention, less pest pressure. So in our Healthy Soils project, we implemented cover crop and composting. In just 2 years, we're already seeing bumps in our soil organic matter. If we are increasing that, we're both increasing our sink, the amount of carbon that we can hold in the soil, and our store, the amount of carbon that we're putting into the soil. The Healthy Soils program really affirms these practices: composting, cover crop, no tillage, habitat, hedgerow restoration. These are all things that we want to engage with, we really believe in, and the Healthy Soils program gives us both the financial and some institutional support to enact them.